Hello everyone, this is Unboxer King and welcome to the channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be unboxing my copy of Baby Monster first mini album, Baby Monster, with the number 7. So this is the photo book version. I have 3 copies here with me. I'm still waiting for some more. I ordered a couple of photo book version with my YG tag version. Unfortunately, it hasn't arrived yet. So we'll just show you the pulls for that photo book version once I unbox the YG tag version. So for now, we have 3 copies here. So this is, as mentioned, the photo book version. Let's open this up. So for this particular version, there are 3 photo cards that you're going to be able to pull. For the photo book, there are 2 photo card per member, so 14 photo card all in all in terms of collection. Sorry, I haven't even informed you guys that Baby Monster had been my new bias group in the K-pop world. So I'm gonna be collecting their OT7 photo card. So this is the front, nice, and then it doesn't have any spine, and then the back. So it has the track list there, and then the logo of Baby Monster. So there are 7 tracks for this particular album, for this mini album, and the title track is Sish. If you're gonna be asking me, I love all this song. This is a no skip album for me, but my favorite is Stuck in the Middle. Okay, so before we do the flip through, let's remove all the inclusions. Actually, I haven't researched what are the inclusions for this album. So I'll show you guys what they are as we go through with this album. Let me put the other 2 version aside. Okay, so this is the front. It has all the members there: Ruka, Parita, Asa, Ayon, Rami, Rora, and Chiquita. Nice. Okay, so let's do a quick flip through. Apologies for the glare that I have. This is quite big. I was not expecting it to be this big, but I really love the quality of the photos for this album. Unfortunately, in terms of collection, it's gonna be difficult for me to store this because it's quite big. And the fact that they don't have any spine, so you can't identify which album is this if you're gonna be putting it on a shelf. But it is what it is, and you could see that the quality of photo in this album is really great. So we have here Parita, nice, and then we have an OT7 photo. Just a quick background regarding my how I stand Baby Monster. It started when I watched their last evaluation. I was already under I was actually looking for a new group to stand aside from Treasure. So when I saw their last evaluation, I thought, since I'm also a YG stan, it's gonna be great if I'm gonna be collecting them. And then I saw their performances, individual performances, especially Ion. I like her performance, and she is actually my bias on the group. So I decided to collect their photo card moving forward. But unfortunately, before their debut, the pre-debut, during the Batter Up era, it was announced that Ion won't be joining the group due to health reasons. So I was on the fence if I'm gonna be collecting the OT6 or what. But since it doesn't, since the Butter Up era don't have physical album, I decided, you know what, let's wait if I'm going to be collecting the 6 members. And then when Stuck in the Middle dropped, it's my favorite song for the group so far. So when that dropped, and still there are only 6 members, I already in the 50-50 to collect their photo cards. And then before their actual debut, which is the Shish era, they mentioned that Ion will be rejoining the group. So it's a no-brainer. I decided to collect all OT7 photo cards for Baby Monster. So that's my backstory regarding why I'm going to be collecting them as a full group. Okay, there you go. That's the photo book. Really nice. And then this is the CD plate. Nice. it took a while for this album to arrive to me. That's why I already saw a lot of unboxing for this photo book version. And I'm a bit nervous regarding the photo card pulls because a lot of the people who are unboxing got a lot of duplicates. So hopefully we don't get one. I think this is the folded poster. Yes, it is. Really nice. It's very glossy. So we have here the OT7. Nice. And then we have, I think this is the sticker. Yes. So we have here some stickers. I might be putting this on my binder. If you want to if you want to see how my Baby Monster photo card collection grow, you might want considering subscribing to my channel and following me as well on my socials. So we have here the accordion postcard. Nice. So we have here, I'm still a little bit confused regarding some of the members' names. Um, so bear with me. So we have here some doodles or some messages from the members. Okay. So we have here Ion, we have Asa, we have Haram, we have Ruka, Chiquita, Parita, and then Rora. Nice. So those are all the members. And then we have, oh, it has the photo card there. So let's remove it first. Okay. So this one is, I think this is the another photo book. Yep, it's another photo book. Not sure what they call this one, but it's a smaller photo book compared to the actual photo book version. I really like the concept, especially during the Sheesh music video. That was really nice. There you go. Okay, so that's our inclusion in this album. Let's now look into the photo cards. So first one, we have this. Oh, the name is not included in the back. First one, we have 1, 2, 3. Nice. So we have Parita. Okay, there you go. Second one, we have 1, 2, 3. Rami. Okay. And then the last one, we have 1, 2, 3. Ruka. Okay, so we have a really nice pull. By the way, I forgot to mention, this album comes with a pre-order benefit. I'll show you later. So this is the first version. So let's pull the second album that we have. So I'm just gonna show you the photo card since the photo card is the only random thing in this album. So I think everything is the same. So we have here the postcards, this mini photo book. We have here the folded poster and the stickers. So we're not gonna open that up. So let's look into the photo cards. Okay. So first one in this particular album is this one. So we have 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we have Chiquita. Nice. And the next one we have 1, 2, 3. Rora. So we already have no, this is our first Rora, right? It's just first Rora. Okay. So we haven't pulled any duplicate or similar member in terms of photo cards. So the last one we have, so we have, this is Asa, right? Yep, it's Asa. Okay, there you go. So let's look into our third one. So as per usual, we're not pulling any of our bias. Hopefully Ion will show up in this version or in this copy. There we go. So let's look into just the photo cards. Where's the photo cards? Okay, there we go. Okay. So first one we have this one. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So this is our first duplicate. This is Parita's photo card. And then next we have 1, 2, 3. Oh, we got Ruka. Oh, it's the same as this one. Oh no, this might be a duplicate album if we pull Rami. So last one is this one. 1, 2, 3. Yep, it's a duplicate album. So we have similar albums. So we pulled 6 out of the 7 member except our bias. Oh, by the way, I mentioned that this comes with a pre-order benefit. So I'm happy with this one because the first one I saw is Ion, which is who is our bias in Baby Monster. Nice. And then we have Rami. And then lastly, we have Haram. Sorry, Asa. Rami is Haram. We have Asa. There you go. So these are all the photo cards that I pull from the 3 albums that I have. I'm still gonna be unboxing the YG tag version, and I also have a couple more photo book version ordered that will be coming in with the YG tag. So wait for that unboxing. If you stand Baby Monster and you want to see my Baby Monster photo card collection grow, you might want considering to subscribing to my channel and hit that like button. Thank you for watching, everyone. Bye.